In Igbo culture, Chi is a personal spirit given to you by Chukwu Okike at birth. It is your spiritual guide, protector, and companion that walks with you from cradle to grave. There's a popular Igbo saying that Onye Kwe, Chi Ekwe. If you agree, your God agrees. That means your destiny is not automatic. Your actions and choices must align with your chi. Why do some people struggle? When you are not in agreement with your chi, things may not work out. You may fail where others succeed, and you may feel stuck despite hard work. How then do you align with your chi? Live truthfully, be honest in your dealings, show gratitude, and stay consistent in good actions. When you do this, your chi will guide you, protect you, and fight for you. Don't blame your chi, align with it, because when you live in truth, your chi will never work against you.